This is the final video to solve Adobe error code 191 during installation. Are you also facing this issue where Adobe apps refuse to install and keep showing error 191 every single time? It's frustrating because the installer doesn't explain what's wrong. This usually happens due to broken Creative Cloud files, missing permissions, or leftover Adobe services running in the background. And most guides online are long, confusing, and hard to follow. While I faced this same error 191 problem, I tested every possible fix until one simple trick finally solved it. I'm going to share all the easy methods so you can definitely fix it too. This is Rexist, and here's the smooth path to the solution. First, update or reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app. A corrupted installer is the #1 reason for error 191. Next, sign out of Creative Cloud and sign back in. This refreshes the permission token Adobe uses during installation. If the error still appears, stop all Adobe-related background tasks from the Task Manager before installing again. Then, make sure your Windows account has full admin rights. Adobe apps can't install system components without proper permissions. And the secret trick that fixed it for me was deleting the Adobe OOB folder and letting Creative Cloud rebuild it automatically. After that, every app installed with no issues. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for each method, comment below and I'll make it for you.